As a gamer, accessories are one of the best ways to elevate your experience. Some can increase your overall performance, while others will make your gaming setup more elegant. In today's video, we are going to showcase 5 of the latest gaming accessories that you will find awesome.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting at number 5, we have the Philips Hue Play, an alternate lighting solution to light strips that is ideal for gaming desktop setups. One of the coolest things about this light bar is it includes several mounting options. You can mount it on the back of your monitor with the included mounts or horizontally place it on your tabletop. It also comes with a mounting base that allows you to orient it vertically as well. These light bars come in both white and black and measure about 10 inches long, which leaves a minimal footprint on the back of your gaming desk. Tweaking the light bars is pretty simple with your smartphone. Just download the Philips Hue app and set the ambient while playing games, listening to music, or watching videos. The lights can even be synced with the contents that are being displayed on your screen. Philips Hue Play is really a cool piece of accessory that can add a minimal touch of ambience to your gaming desktop setup. Next up at number 4, we have the G203 LightSync from Logitech, a stylish gaming mouse with a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and aesthetics. This mouse boasts a snowy exposure with RGB light grids designed around the back of it that cast out a vibrant wave effect. Under the hood, it has been equipped with a gaming-grade sensor with an 8000 dpi range that feels super responsive and comfortable to aim with. Talking about comfort, the classic shape of this mouse feels really good on the grip, while a total of 6 buttons on this mouse lets you perform various in-game tasks conveniently. The primary click buttons are mechanical, which feels really satisfying to click. To customize the RGB effects and cycle through the 5 different DPI settings, download the Logitech G Hub software on your PC and you're good to go. Logitech G203 LightSync is a reasonably priced gaming mouse that not only looks cool, but performs remarkably as well. At number 3, we have the Redragon K530 Draconic, a mechanical gaming keyboard with a 60% keyboard layout that fits right into the budget. The keyboard comes in both white and dark color gradients with 3 hot swappable switch options. You can either go for the brown option that feels soft to stroke with a minimal click, blue ones if you prefer low noise, or red ones for gaming. This keyboard can operate both in wired and wireless mode, all thanks to its L-Tab USB-C port and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. It also has stable feet underneath that to keep it steady while you mash those switches. Other than that, it has some dedicated switches on the left to turn the keyboard on or off and switch between up to 3 devices, making it ideal for multi-platform usability. RGB backlight also looks dope on this keyboard regardless of whatever version you choose. You can further customize the effects through dedicated Redragon software. Overall, the K530 Draconic is a sleek-looking keyboard in a compact form factor and filled with perks. Coming up at number 2, we have the G733 Lightspeed from Logitech, a sleek-looking gaming headset with the perfect blend of comfort, style, and performance. Equipped with Logitech's 40mm Pro G driver, the headset does live up to most gamers' expectations with its crystal-clear audio output. Weighing only about 9.80 ounces, this headset feels lightweight to wear, while the dual-layer memory foam and reversible soft headband keep your ears and head comforted for hours and on. The cardioid microphone on this headset is completely detachable and has a frequency response ranging from 100Hz to up to 10 kHz, which is quite fair for in-game voice command. The subtle touch of full spectrum light sync RGB looks elegant and adds that premium wow factor to this gaming headset. You will get about up to 29 hours of runtime while the lighting is switched off, and 20 hours on default lighting mode, which is just about right to power you through long gaming sessions. Stylish yet minimalist, the Logitech G733 Lightspeed is a visually stunning headset to go along with your dynamic gaming lifestyle.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Finally, at number 1, we have the Razer Kiyo Pro, which probably is the best streaming webcam currently available for the streaming segment. Powered by a super sensitive 1/2.8 CMOS sensor with Travis technology, this webcam ensures enhanced clarity for most streaming setups. With that being said, it has uncompressed 1080p at 60 FPS video fidelity to make your streaming quality appreciable and enjoyable to your viewers. It also happens to have an adaptive light sensor feature that keeps the capture quality to maximum no matter the external lighting condition. Lastly, an adjustable FOV lets you tweak the capture area and depth by utilizing its dynamic wide-angle lenses. To cycle through the field of view options, head over to the Razer Synapse software and you're good to go. Whether you've adopted streaming as a profession or a casual hobby, the Razer Kiyo Pro is an outstanding webcam to assist you with your streaming effort. So these are the 5 new gaming accessories that you can buy right now. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.